welcome to my channel. This is me, Lamia Chaudhary, and this is my channel. This channel is basically of skincare, and I really don't know how to intro myself more. So this is my very first video today I'm gonna share with you people, and this is about activated charcoal mask. How you can use this mask at home, made it easily, and this is actually really good for your skin, no matter what skin type you're having. Let's get into the video. To prepare this mask, I'm gonna add approx 2 teaspoons of charcoal powder, half teaspoon of honey. Make sure the honey is raw and pure as we are using it for our face. Oh my god, I'm using my hands. Okay. After that, I'm using 2 teaspoons of water to make the paste more smoother. Mix it really well. Wash your face so that nothing is left, and then by the help of a clean brush, apply the mixture all over your skin. Use this mask all over your face. And as you know, charcoal is really good to purify skin and makes it more brighter. Apply this mask weekly twice for better result. Keep it for 10 minutes on your skin and wash it off. If you clean your face only with water, you can still see charcoal on your skin, so it's better to wash it with any kind of soap or face wash. So I'm using Ismi Mangosteen Detox. This is really good, and yes, that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. If it does, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video and my channel. Thank you so much for watching.